instruments and just give y'all like a demo. Instrument pack part 1. There's 4 parts. So I demoed the drums, and I just want to start going through some of these instruments and just give y'all like a demo. They're all based on vintage samplers I have, 8-bit, 12-bit samplers I have. Right? So the first one is based on the Mirage, great sounds. Then the second one is based on the EMU samplers, you know, your SB12s or whatever, the EMU like rack mount samplers. And the third one, the ASR, the classic ASR. And then the fourth one, a secret keyboard or whatever. But all these sounds are from classic keyboards, classic samplers, classic sound sets. And yo, they sound great. Like, so let's go through this Mirage here. That's So I'm going to load up a few of these sounds so y'all can hear them. Show you a beat I made with these sounds, just a demo, you know, how things can work for you in your productions. And of course I got to use Cycle Kit 7. Right?